Hi, Sam from our countryside homestead. Today I'm going to make artesian crusty bread. It has to sit overnight, so today I'm just going to mix this up and I'm going to show you how to do that, and then we'll come back tomorrow and I will show you how to bake it in the oven inside our cast iron Dutch oven. So I have 3 cups of flour in my bowl, and I'm going to put in 1 1/4 teaspoons of salt. I use the pink salt. I don't think it matters which salt you use. 2 teaspoons of yeast. And 1 1/2 cups of warm water. Mix it up until all the ingredients are mixed in. And then you cover it with saran wrap and let it sit overnight. I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. Well, I've let my bread sit overnight, about 16 to 18 hours, and we're gonna bake it now. So I put flour on my countertop, got some flour on my hands. I'm gonna turn the dough out onto the countertop. We're gonna fold the corners in a couple times, turn it over. I'll take my Dutch oven out. I have my oven preheated to 450, and it's very important to heat the cast iron Dutch oven with it, otherwise the baking time won't work out right. It's alright if a little bit of smoke comes out of there. Got my parchment paper, set it right on top, and then very gently pick up your piece of dough and set it right on the inside. Trying not to burn yourself. Put the lid right back on. And then we're going to put it into the oven with the lid on for 30 minutes. And then we'll take the lid off and bake it for another 15 minutes. See you when it's done. Alright, our baking time is done. Let's see. Beautiful. Alright, let's see what we got. Nice and warm.